on this thing is something else that's there. I think this is there. Yep, there it is. The exhaust, all fastened on. Well, the good news is the J-tube is in. There it is. It's in there. Okay, here's the top of the stove, which is this big soup pot. I'm cutting off the top rim of it and the handles all at once. I just took the pneumatic cutoff wheel and cut a slot, and now I can get the saws all in there and continue to cut. I got the soup cut off, and it fits down in there fairly tight. I'm not exactly sure how high. I want to have about 2 inches above the J-tube here. So I'll either have to cut off some of this and then I can adjust that where that goes. I'm not sure. I'll put a gasket around there. And then I've cut my inner tube that's going to go over the J-tube. I'm going to put concrete perlite mixture in there till 2 inches above the J-tube. So that'll all be filled with that concrete perlite mixture up to there. And when it's still wet, this will go down over the J-tube here into that concrete. Hopefully get it centered there. And after that starts to set up, then I'll put another 8-inch tube on top of this and fill in between those two tubes with the concrete perlite mixture, so it'll be insulated right up to the top here. And then this will go on top of there. I'll have to have some kind of a gasket around here and possibly a gasket around here, I'm not sure. These are all things to be worked out. So it's coming along. J-tube is in. Inner wall is cut, ready to go. Time to mix some concrete and perlite. Cut this tube, which is going to go over the J-tube, and the space between the J-tube and this will be filled with the perlite concrete mixture. These flanges, I'm going to fill this up about 2 inches with the perlite concrete mixture, put this down in there, and then fill it up 2 inches above the J-tube, so those tabs will be in there to grab, hopefully, and hold it in there nice and solid. So, there we go. This fits in there. There we go. Get it centered on there. There it is. All right. So that goes in there. 4 parts perlite. Okay. Smells pretty bad. This is one batch. Mm. 20 seconds later, maybe 30 seconds later, he's back with a scoop. A bandsaw is a wonderful thing. So let's see what happens here. Looks pretty good. Okay. See if I can get this bad boy in here. Aha, there we go. Yeah. I made this little ethafoam cap here, hopefully to keep the cement from going down the J-tube.